Hi! On this quick video I'm gonna show you what kind of Copilot features you can now use in Word, in Excel and in PowerPoint. So let's start with Word. And all of these programs what you're gonna see right now are in web mode and they are in targeted release. Yes, so first things first, nowadays you can find a Copilot button at the lower right corner, as you can see here, if you remember Clippy, it used to be here, but anyways. And then if you want to move this, just right click and then dock, simple as that. And then if you want, move it to the ribbon, and here we go. And if you want to move out to the ribbon, here we go. Yes, simple as that. That is the same in Word, in Excel and in PowerPoint. Yes. But when we open it in Word, let's see what we have here. Nothing special. Allow editing. If you want to edit your document directly, we all know that. And then if we want to chat only, then we only stick with this Copilot chat only menu, so to say. So, what else? On the upper left corner, we can use our agents if we want, and then here under the three dot menu, here you can modify your settings if you want, and you can use Claude models if you want. But other than that, that's it for Word. Then if we go to PowerPoint, and let's open up our PowerPoint here. What do we have here? A little bit different buttons, as you can see here. Here you can choose your large language models. So, Cloud Opus 4.8, Cloud Sonnet 5 and GPT 5.5. And if you want, you can also use image models. Of course, you can choose the auto model if you want, but here we have GPT Image 2, GPT Image 1.5, Microsoft own MIE Image 2.5 and Flux 2 Flex. My personal favorites are GPT Image 2 and MIA Image 2.5. Yes. And then if we come back here, we have allow editing and chat only, same as we saw just a moment ago in Word. But here, when we click under this plus menu, here we can add work content, upload files, but then if you have brand, so-called PowerPoint templates, you can use them. So, select brand, and then if you have your PowerPoint templates here, then you can start to use those. You can create your own brand kit. That's quite cool. And then the newest addition here is all skills. So basically, these are like, how do I say it, small agents, and they only do one specific task. Prepare for questions. So basically, predict audience questions or concerns. It will help. And then review this presentation, improve slides with strong storytelling, and last, visualize the slide, turn text-heavy slides into polished visuals. That's quite good. But that is that. Add work content, upload files, select brand and all skills. And here, of course, start new chat. Yes. And then, last but not least, now we have our Excel. And what we can do here, so let's open up our Copilot here. And let's see what we can do here. So here we have also this toggle where we can choose our large language model, Auto, GPT 5.5, Cloud Opus 4.7 and 4.8, and allow editing, chat only, and plan. So if you want to plan first before you start editing, you can brainstorm with Copilot with your Excel modifications. It's quite good feature. Yes. But other than that, allow editing, plan, chat only, that is that. And then under the plus menu, here we have also all skills. So here we have skills section if you want to choose here. And if you want to modify them, let's go here under the three dot menu. Here we have our manage skills. So here we can do our finance. Coming up feature is that you can add your own skills and they are living under your own OneDrive. But that feature is still coming up. Yes. And then if you want to have some personalization, so this is basically the same when you're telling Copilot Chat what kind of answers you want Copilot Chat to give you. Same thing here in Excel. Strong recommendation to do this. Yes. So under the three-dot menu, personalization, manage skills, and here we have all skills. And if you want to create, you can also create workbook rules. That is quite cool. Replace these examples. Here you can see some samples if you want, but that is also a cool feature. And here, if you want, choose your sources, web work, and some third-party connectors. Here are some couple of Excel connectors if you want to use, but normally these are under IT. But that is that. Excel, under the left menu, here we have our agents, but we need to choose, of course, that chat only if we want to use those. But that is that. Word, PowerPoint, Excel, as you can see, menu is basically the same, couple of little tweaks from Excel, from PowerPoint, from Word, but other than that, allow editing and chat. I like these features, I use them a lot when I edit, add something, delete something. I just tell Copilot, do you want to add this, do you want to remove this, can you create this document and translate this into another language? It's also possible. But yes, those are Copilot features now. Today when I'm recording this video, but maybe in a couple of weeks, next month, we have some new features. But that is Copilot features in Word, Excel and PowerPoint.